The world has lost its mind again, and as we navigate an uncertain future, let us please remember to always ask ourselves, will it blast? Behold, look at what I found out in the parking lot. It's an old coin, an ancient artifact from the early days and long history of the United States of America. Previously worth 1 humble cent, this coin, a penny as it was known, is now probably worth something different. Can we use a Vaniman Sandblaster to remove the detritus of time from this minuscule copper disc? I don't know. Let's find out together. I'm gonna take this to a pawn shop.